Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on a POCO M5. So let's start with opening Google Play Store and right here find Firefox. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. From here, customize it. So choose a theme, pick a toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings, sign up to Firefox account to synchronize it between other devices. You can also read the privacy notice, and at the end, click on Start Browsing. Here, open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.